Hi everybody, and I'm so glad you tuned into this video because I'm going to show you how you can make the easiest hands-free mirror that you can use if you want to style the back of your hair, you want to trim the back of your hair yourself, your husband can use it, he can use it to shave his beard if he wants a closer cut. And the nice thing about it is you can use any kind of mirror. So let me show you how quick and easy and cheap it is. Cheaper and better than going to Amazon or one of these other sites to buy this kind of mirror. The main component to making this hands-free mirror is going to Five Below and getting this magnetic neck mount. It's generally used for your iPhone so you can watch videos, but let me show you. It's so easy to make this into a hands-free mirror. Then I went to Dollar Tree and I just bought mirror. This I think has a normal size, one-time magnification, and a 5-side on the back. You can use whatever mirror you want. This mirror will also come apart, so I'm going to be taking off the base and we'll be just using the mirror section. When you take the neck mount out of the box, it's going to be all twisted. You're just going to unbend it. Sorry for the shadow that's here, but you're going to unbend it. Then it's going to come with this mount that will go on here. And you're just going to loosen this up, unscrew it, put that, snap that on there, snaps into place like that, and then you tighten it. So that's how easy this piece is. Just tighten it up. Okay, so now you have those two pieces together. The third piece it comes with is these rings. And it's separated, the rings are separated by some cellophane because you're going to take these apart. Now, if you're using it for your phone and your phone is magnetic already, you just need to use this piece right here. And this piece goes into this groove on here, like so. So just put it in there so it fits in there snugly like that. Black side out. Now I'm going to take my mirror that I bought at Dollar Tree. I'm going to take this one apart. I'm going to remove the stand because I don't need it. And this is a fairly lightweight mirror, and I like that. I'm going to peel off this white sticker here. And what I'm doing now is exposing glue to adhere to my mirror, and this is going to be a magnetic side that's going to adhere to this piece on here. So I'm just going to decide I want the magnified side with the glue on it. I just want a regular mirror so I can see the back of my head, and I'm just going to place it on the center like so. I'm just going to put it on there like so, and this is going to stick on there like that. At this point, I'm going to give you a little disclaimer about this item. This ring that you're supposed to attach to here only has a very, very minimal strip that's going to supposedly glue onto here and stay in place. So what I like to do is I'm going to put a little bit of Gorilla Glue or, whatever glue you have. I probably wouldn't use hot glue, but I'm going to use some Gorilla Glue to hold the ring into place. I used some super glue and it's been sitting for a couple of minutes, so it's now attached. And again, all I'm going to do is take the side and go like this. Even with the super glue, it's still going to have its magnetic properties, so you do not have to worry. So here it is when it's attached, and you can still definitely remove it like so. Here, you just have to pull on it. It'll come apart, and with the super glue, that's going to hold that piece in place really nice and secure. So I highly recommend you doing that, especially if you're going to use a mirror that might shatter or break on the floor. This is what it looks like when it's around my neck, and it's all padded. It's totally flexible, the entire piece. This will swivel up and down, side to side. If you want, you can use a larger mirror. This one is small. You can use an 8 or 10-inch mirror, because once you glue that piece onto the back with some super glue, the magnet will hold it in place and it should be secure. So I wouldn't worry about using a larger mirror because of the weight. And I can definitely see the back of my head. I can't show you because I'd be blocking my face to do it, but I can see the back of my head with this mirror, and it's doing a great job. So for $5 from Five Below, you can't beat this, because I've seen similar things on Amazon, like I said, for $40. And if you already have a mirror in place at home, that'll save you some money. Super glue is super cheap. You can get it from the Dollar Tree again. And I always have some in the house, so it's not a problem. But this is a great alternative to if you need to see the back of your hair for styling, cutting, or your husband wants to maybe use it for getting a closer shave, because you can always make use the higher magnification if that is what you're going to mainly use it for. On this side, again, I just used a straight mirror because this mirror is not magnified. So I didn't want magnified, not magnified. But I can definitely see the back of my hair, and again, it's totally adjustable. Totally adjustable. You can bend it up, you can bend it down, you can make it tighter around your neck. It's perfect. So if you like this video, give it a like, a share, a thumbs up, subscribe. I'll see you next time on Big City Girl, Small City Living. Bye.